Hello, David. The machine is ready. We are testing it, and later we will clean it and get it packed. See, or do the packing. Let me show you the machine now. Okay, you need to make sure the machine is turned off, and then plug in and turn it on. Okay, let's wait. Okay, choose the English. Okay, here we have a PLC touch screen. This temperature screen, it has a heat function for this pump. We need to heat the pump, set up temperature. This is the real temperature, and turn it on. So when it's green, it means the pump is heating. So from the second time using of this machine, you can use this function in case of any stock. Okay, here we have a fill output. This is a count function. It can count for us how many pieces you have made. Okay, at the beginning you can set up at 0. The collect time, it means the seconds it needs for one jar. It is automatic according to your filling volume, so there is no need to revise it. And here we have set up the volume such as 500 grams ml. 500 ml, and we do not have a pump 2, we just set up pump 1. And interval time, it means the time between two filling. At the beginning you can set it up at 2 or 3 seconds. After you get familiar with this machine, you can set up at 1 second. So we use 1 second, and we have a menu here. With this function we can try to test if the pump is working. You can see, okay, here's the voice. Okay, so it is and here we have a speed. The filling speed can be adjustable, but it's under manual mode. And here we have a parameter. We can set up the flow rate, which means when you fill the large jar, you need higher speed, so it can be less time to finish one jar. For small jar, you need a gentle filling speed, so it won't split out. Okay. So this is manual mode. Under manual mode, you press. We need to turn this to rotation, and then press B to start. See, it will fill 500 ml and stop, and won't fill again under manual mode. Okay, stop it, and under out mode, and it's set 300. Okay, under out mode, you can press. Okay, start filling. It will automatically collect. Okay, say it will fill 300 and then stop for 1 second, and then fill another piece 300 ml. Okay, and this is counting function, and then we can stop it at any time you want in case of any emergency. Okay, so that will be the filling process. And after 1 day's filling, you need to empty the tubing and pump by reversing the pump in case of any wax blocked inside. Okay, so we need to press it back to manual mode and use reversal function. Now the pump will back pumping the wax into your tank. Okay, after all is cleaned, you can stop it and turn off the machine. Okay.